an apple looking at me. Red like a fire truck, zoom so fast. Red like a rose, make a bouquet last. Red is here, red is there. I see red everywhere. Blue, blue, what do I see? I see the ocean waving at me. Blue like the sky, up so high. Blue like a blueberry, give it a try. Blue is here, blue is there. I see blue everywhere. Red, red, what do I see? I see a bright sun shining on me. Yellow like a lemon, sour and sweet. Yellow like a school bus rolling down the street. Yellow is here, yellow is there. I see yellow everywhere. Blue, green, what do I see? I see the leaves on a tall, tall tree. Green like a frog, jumping so high. Green like peas in a bowl, oh my. Green is here, green is there. I see green everywhere. Red, red, what do I see? I see a pumpkin smiling at me. Orange like a carrot, crunchy and bright. Orange like the sunset, what a sight. Orange is here, orange is there. I see orange everywhere. Purple, purple, what do I see? I see a grape hanging from a tree. Purple like a flower, soft and sweet. Purple like a jacket, looking neat. Purple is here, purple is there. I see purple everywhere. Everywhere's colors all so bright. They make the world a beautiful sight. Red and blue, yellow and green, orange and purple all can be seen. Colors are here, colors are there. We see colors everywhere.